Hello YouTube bloggers. I am posting this video so I can find out what's wrong with it, or somebody could tell me a way to fix it once I tell you what's wrong and show you. Right now I'm going to show you a walk around it, what it is. As you see, front wheel drive, Power Pro, the power block, large displacement, the carburetor is right here, the spark plug is right here. Muffler, gas, this is what it is right here. I'm not sure. That says Briggs Stratton, that little triangle thing. Gas, the pull, front wheel drive, all that stuff. For some reason, I've been working on this thing for a very long time. I can't freaking get it working. I got it working once, but it started up. It was really loud. It sounded like a clanking. I'm not sure. It sounded like a bent rod or a bent piston rod or something. It's not little valves inside. And I try to put the throttle on, it just turned off. So I'll show you what I mean. Hopefully I won't freaking hurt my hand at it at the same time, because it has a tendency to jump on its own. So let me put the camera down. Real quick. I'm using this thing, this shirt, because I don't feel like getting my hand ripped off. I did it a couple minutes ago. But here we go. Go inside. Sorry about that. Freaking little links came out. Okay, let's give it a try again. See if it does it. Ow, fuck. Ow. See, you hear it? Clanking all that stuff. Oh, fuck, I ripped the shirt. Oh, well. Oh, that comes. Ah, fuck. Alright, no more. Alright, as you see, there's only smoke coming out. God damn, that hurt. Freaking got blister. What that comes out is just freaking black smoke and black smoke and black smoke. Has oil and everything. I have no idea what's wrong. So someone can please tell me what is wrong, or help me out here, or suggest some place I could fix in Florida, in Tampa specifically. Yeah, well, post your comments below, and thank you, and goodbye.